Hello everyone, IGBits welcoming you all for happy learning. We train. Each one of you gets an opportunity to learn. Today we shall continue our exploration in understanding trigonometric ratios with visualization. This concept is one of the tools to understand how the lengths of each trigonometric ratios varies with angle. Let's see. Now IGBits is available on YouTube for everyone to access our already completed sessions and also keep uploading upcoming sessions. Please do visit us at our YouTube channel and also help extend your support to share our channel information to your friends. I'm sure you all know that how support is really help a one in need, isn't it? A true friend is someone who assists when one is in need. Thank you all so far. Whatever the support that you are doing, please do continue to support us to grow. Thank you. Let's look at a circle. Okay, so the circle on Cartesian plane. What that mean is I have x-axis, right? Is a plus x minus x. Let me write my y-axis. This is a positive y. This is a negative y. Right? My circle is now divided into 4 equal parts. Okay. Let me put a point. Good. So on the circle, in the first quadrant, I'm sure we know that, right? Now let me draw a radius. That's nice. This is the radius from the origin. Okay. And achieving that radius is 1 unit in length. This means this entire circle is unit circle. Unit circle means length of radius is equal to 1. Good. Now this radius making an angle with the x-axis is theta. Okay. Can you find out what is the length? This one? Good. So if you put a and B, triangle OAB, OBA, let's say triangle OBA, what would be my AB? Okay, so you know the relationship between the AB and OA, right? Which is called a sine theta. Sine theta equal to opposite. Opposite side is AB, right? Divided by hypotenuse A, OA, right? So AB by 1 and hence AB equal to sine theta, right? So that means AB is sine theta. Good. Similarly, you can find out, let's say this is C. You can find out what is the value of AC. How much length of AC? Similarly, AC is equal to OB, right? AC equal to OB because both are parallels. Let's put a cos theta. Cos theta equal to how much? adjacent to OB divided by hypotenuse OA, which is nothing but 1. So OB value cos theta. So let's put cos theta. So this is cos theta, which is also equal to this one is cos theta. This is sin theta, and then OC is also sin theta in length, right? This is a unit circle. You got this point? So do you see like what is the point? A point. A point is x distance and y distance, right? What is that? What is that x distance? From 0 to b cos theta. So this is in cos theta. What is the y distance? Y distance is 0 to c is a sin theta, right? So cos theta sin theta is a point. Are you clear? So how did we get a sin theta and a cos theta, right, as a length in this unit circle placing on Cartesian plane? So we covered now two ratios, how they appears, okay, on this diagram. Since we know sin theta and cos theta, now what we are trying to do, we'll try to actually figure that out, how a tan and secant can be computed from this unit circle. Okay, so what we are going to do, draw a tangent from point A to a point on a x-axis. Let be like this. You draw a line and then be a point as a C. By doing that, so now you can look at, there is a two triangles that we would be interested in, isn't? OAC form a right angle triangle because OA is a radius which is perpendicular to tangent AC. So angle A is 90 degrees. Similarly, OBC, OBA, in this triangle, angle B is 90 degrees because this forms a right angle triangle. Okay, so these two triangles are our interest to compute a tangent and secant. Let's see how you can compare them. What I am trying to do, I will take out these triangles out so that I can visualize easily and I can make use of triangle laws for similarity, and then I will see like what are the sides that I can take it for consideration to compute the unknown values. Let me show you now. So I have taken a triangle OBA is a right angle triangle is what I have seen here, right? Next one you can take like OAC triangle, right? OAC is also taken out. So both are now triangles, but only one observation that you can think of, where is an angle, right? So our observing point is O here at a theta, this also same theta, but you can see like OA is an adjacent in this case, and then OC is a hypotenuse, AC is opposite. Similarly, with respect to angle, OB is adjacent side and base this one. AB is opposite. OA means hypotenuse. This is a minimum basic identification that are required. Next, what you have to do, plug in these values here. So OA, so from this triangle, OA is 1. So OA 1, this is also 1 here. Okay. Next one is what? Sin theta. AB we know sin theta. So AB means I put a sin theta here. And then OB is a cos theta. Right? So I will put a cos theta here. Okay. What is unknown? AC is unknown. So this is an unknown. So you can see both triangles and then you can compare them using triangle law of similarity. What I would be doing now, since I wanted to see what is the value of x, I will see like AC by OA. First one, AC by OA equal to, means like opposite by adjacent. What is opposite by adjacent in this triangle? AB by OB. AB by OB. Let's plug in. AC means X by OA means 1 equal to AB means sin theta, OB is cos theta. That implies X equal to tan theta. So this is nothing but your tangent, right? That is what we got it, tan theta. Now what you have to do, let's find out OC. OC means this line, right? So from the same triangle, let OC be Y, and then make a relationship between these 2 points, hypotenuse versus adjacent. From this triangle, from triangle OAC, because this is right angle triangle, right? So from triangle OAC, OC by OA equal to triangle OBA. From this, what is my hypotenuse? OA, right? OA over OA means in this case adjacent. So what about here? OB. Let's plug in the values now. OC means Y by 1 equal to OA means 1 by OB means cos theta. So Y by 1 equal to 1 by cos theta. Y equal to 1 by cos theta is nothing but secant theta. So this one is secant. So tangent and secant, sin theta and cos theta, what we found so far. Let's find out other two ratios. Let's say AD is another tangent that we drawn from point A to y-axis. In this case also, if you see, OA is perpendicular to AD, and then OAD forms a triangle. Now in this triangle, what we are trying to find out is, we know OA is 1, but we are trying to find out AD and OD, which is similar to this triangle. I hope you are clear. So what I would do, I will take out this triangle to side so that I can view them, see them, for comparing two triangles for the similar, angle side property, and then I can compute the unknown value from there. So what I would do here, if you can plug in the values, so from this OAD, right, what is known? OA is known, OA is 1, and then do you know AD? AD I don't know, that I can make it X. OD also I don't know, let's make it Y. And then we have this triangle O, B and A. This right angle triangle, I have one sin theta and cos theta. So same thing I can plug in here. Let's find out the ratio now. Uh, to find out A, what I would do, x by 1 is ratio, right? X by 1 divided by x by 1 in the sense AD by OC, right? So what I would do, I will rewrite them back to avoid the confusion. From triangle OAD and then triangle OBA. So from this what I can take it, since I'm trying to find out x, so AD by OA equal to what would be the similar? AD means adjacent, right? So here also OB over opposite. Opposite is what? Sine theta. So that means AB. So let's plug in the values. AD means x, OA means 1, and then OB means cos theta by AB means sine theta. That means x equal to cot theta. So x means what? X means your AD, right? So AD means cot theta. So this one is cot. Let's find out similar way. What is the next thing that we have to find out? We have to find out OD, right? This OD is what we are trying to find out. Again, same. That means like y is what you are going to find out. So let's write one more relationship. OD by OA, right? OD means y divided by OA means 1 equal to, from this triangle you can try to plug in similar sides. Okay, so this is hypotenuse, and then in this triangle the hypotenuse is like OA, right? OA means 1, and so first triangle OA means what? Opposite side. So in our case what would be then opposite? AB. What is the value for AB? Sin theta. So y by 1 equal to 1 by sin theta, which implies y equal to cosecant theta. Reciprocal of sin is cosecant. That's what exactly. Clear? So what happens now? We got sin theta, we got sin theta, cos theta, then we have tan theta, secant theta, then we have cot theta and cosecant theta. So all 6 trigonometric ratios can be find out from this visualization diagram, right? So now we see little more than what we studied. So now we know that like how trigonometric ratios can be determined from this visualization. So like sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosecant and secant. So now the interesting point is how all these lengths of the trigonometric ratios changes according to your theta. Based out of the theta value, all these lengths will vary, right? So let's say the at certain angle of theta, this is how our lengths would look like. So if you move the point down, then you look at now tangent length is less, cot is little larger than the tangent, and cos value, because the point is actually moving little away from the y-axis, the cos value length of the cos is like little larger than your sin theta. Similarly you can observe cosecant and secant, right? So based out of your theta change, all the lengths may change. Similarly, if the point moves in anti-clockwise direction with a slight change of an angle, the lengths of these ratios will vary. So the observation is length of the ratio changes according to the angle. Okay, so the few ratios will increase its value, the other trigonometric ratios will decreasing its value. So let's say for here a tangent is appears to be like larger than the cot. Similarly, sin theta value is little larger than cos theta. So this noticeably demonstrating us that how these ratios will vary with respect to an angle. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, click on bell icon and leave the comments. Thank you all. Logically, we reached the end of the session. We shall continue our learning in next session. Stay tuned to next meet. Have a good day.